Hello. Today, we will be going over the participant opt-in steps and the corresponding coordinator view within the RCC system. After reviewing the following slides, I will then do a demonstration of the participants' experience once they opt into the MPH study. By completing this video and reading the relevant MOP sections, you have satisfied the participant opt-in steps training. After the participant opts in for MPH screening, which happens within the PTSD system, following data is then passed to RCC systems. So that's the name, email, phone number, zip code, and language preference, and that's just English or Spanish. Then this populates the following in the RCC systems. So the zip code is used to assign an initial MPH site, and then the other information is used as participant contact information. So once we receive this information in the RCC systems, the participant will then get an initial email or text that first welcomes them to the study and then provides them with the link to set up their profile. So you can see here on the right, this is that participant profile form that pipes in the contact information that we receive from PTSD. Participant is able to make any edits if necessary and save that form. If you would like to review the user experience in more detail, please review the Data Management Systems Enrollment Flow video. Now I will do a demonstration of the participant's experience once they receive the welcome message. On the screen, you'll see an example of the email that the participant will receive once they opt in. You'll see that there's a link for them to click and create their profile, and then this will take them to the first form within their participant portal. So here it just asks some identifying information. So it asks for the year of birth and their initials. And this is actually what they will use to always log into their portal. So we'll just do an example here. And now, as you can see that it pops up for you to do double entry. So this is just to make sure that the information that's typed in here matches there. And just allows for more accuracy. So let's say that I typed in this year and I typed in these initials. So it has a pop-up here that shows that both the year of birth and the initials don't match what was originally typed in. So you'll just have to change that to match. And now you can see that that pop-up goes away. And then the second pop-up goes away. So once they're done, they verify that this information is correct. They would click create. All right, so now this is the next screen that they will see. So this shows them how it'll actually look every time they want to log into the system. You have to put in your year of birth, and then you put in your initials. So once they create their profile and then use the information to log in, they are presented with this participant profile page where they will review the contact information that we received from the PTSD. So if they want to make any changes, if they want to change their email address or change their name or edit the name if there was an error, or if they want to change the phone number. So, there was a mistake in the phone number, it actually should be this. They're able to do that. And then they can just answer this question below if the information was correct or incorrect. So because we made a change, we can just select no. And then below, this is the site that I was assigned to based on the zip code. If for whatever reason the participant wants to change it, they do have the option to change it here. And then here they will just update their communication preferences. If they want to receive email or text, it's fine. So they would just choose one. And then they would click verify profile. And clicking verify profile then takes them to this next form. And this is the screening review form where they are able to get an initial snapshot or initial idea of what the study entails. They're also able to preview the consent form. So this is just the general consent form. It's not site specific, but they will have an idea of what this consent form will look like once they are ready to sign it. So once they're done reviewing, they would just click finish my review. And then it takes them to the survey queue page. And they don't have any more forms to fill out because the next step in this process is consent. But then they can see here that they have completed the participant profile. They have completed the screening review, but if they need to go back and either edit any information, or if they would like to review again, if they want to look up the consent form, they're able to click edit response, and it will just take them back into the form. And this ends the participant opt-in experience. Thank you. So we just did an overview of the participants opt-in experience. Now we're going to look at it from the coordinator viewpoint. So once you log into REDCap and you go to the NPH project, you'll see on the homepage that we have this dashboard. And this dashboard shows you all the participants who are assigned to your site. If you want to look at specifically the participants who have expressed interest but have not yet consented, you would just click the interested panel, and then you can scroll down and you'll actually see the names of all those participants. So here is the test subject or the test participant that we were going through. If you want to look at their specific record, you can click on their name, and this will take you to the record homepage. And this gives you an overview of all the steps that the participant has taken thus far. So you can see that they have completed the create profile form. They've then completed the participant profile form and the screening review form. And this is indicated by the green check marks. So this is an overview of just the coordinator view of what happens after the participant opts into the study. And then at this point, you're able or ready to schedule that consent visit with the participant. So thank you.